Let me share with you the smartest, the fastest, and the easiest way that smart creators are using to get their 4,000 watch hours in 2026. So if you haven't gotten your 4,000 watch hours, if you're still struggling to get a 4,000 watch hour, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you two methods that you are going to use to get your 4,000 watch hours in no time. That is, in 7 days, you are getting your 4,000 watch hours. That 4,000 watch hours that you're struggling to get over a year, maybe over 6 months, maybe over 2 years, you are going to get it in 7 days using these two strategies I'm about to share with you. Now, I'm going to share with you the second one. The second one is the most important one and is the fastest one. So follow me step by step, okay? So if this is the first time I've seen my face, hello, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do is to share updates on how to grow our channel and get monetized here on YouTube. I also tell you mistakes that you would want to avoid to get monetized here on YouTube. So if these are the videos that you would like to see or watch, kindly subscribe to my channel. All right, subscription is free. Now I'm going to be talking about live streaming. Yes, I know most of you say, live streaming, I've heard of it, I've heard over and over again, I have done it but no results. My dear, maybe you are not doing it the right way, or let me just put it this way, you are not using the right videos to do your live streaming. In everything in life, there are strategy and there are ways that you can do it rightly to get results here on earth. Yeah, so in this, I'm going to share with you two kind of videos that you use for your live stream that will attract views and audience to watch your videos to get massive watch hours to get your channel monetized here on YouTube. Of course, I'm not just going to get 4,000 watch hours, you are going to be getting 1,000 subscribers as well. Now, the first method is for you to get videos that are very, very attractive. All right, videos that can attract the audience of people. You cannot just go live and show your face and you expect people to watch you. No. People will not even watch you. If you like do the most beautiful makeup on earth, people will not be patient to watch you, except maybe you've grown to an extent or people have known you ahead. That is when people will be patient to watch you or to hear what you're saying. Or if I knew you to maybe you just have 500 subscribers, even me 2,000 subscribers, people will not be patient enough to watch you. Do you understand? So there are videos that you can use to attract people to watch your live streaming, and as they are watching, you are getting your 4,000 watch hours. You know that, all right? Now the first way is for you to get videos that are attracting. Let me just call it attractive videos or attention seeking videos. All right, so now after you have gotten the attention seeking video, see, if you want to get your 4,000 watch hours through live streaming, just get this type of video, especially if you're in a place or area or a compound where people used to fry gari or people used to fry granules. My sister, just make a video of it or just go live, tell the person that, please, Oma, or please, sir, can I just go live? Let me just show, let me just share my camera with my followers so that I'll be able to just explain something to them. You understand? And if they allow you, just go ahead, go live there and there, and you'll see. If you just do it 3 or 4 times, you'll see that people will start coming to your channel to watch your videos. And before you know, your 1,000 and before you know, your 4,000 watch hours is completed. So get videos like this and go live. Okay, now let me share with you the second method, the second way you can get your 4,000 watch hours as well, using live stream. All right, now the second method is still the same kind of videos. If you're not privileged to be around people that fry granules or do all sort of things, industrial activities, or let me say all those kind of things in your compound or in your area, go ahead and look for a video here on YouTube. Yes, method is to come to your YouTube channel and click on search bar, click on the search bar and type, you can type people frying gari, you or just type people frying granules, type people frying groundnuts and search for it. Now, so many videos has pump out for you to use. So I'm going to be sharing with you step by step. Now, there's a way for you to do it, for you to avoid YouTube community guideline during your live stream. Okay. Now, all you need to do is to click on the video, like search for anyone that you know that you like, that does not have plenty and things on the video. Plenty things in the sense that the person did not write his or her channel name on the video, on the front of the video. You understand what I'm saying, right? Yeah, you get a video like this one is short, so just I'll just look for just look for a longer video, a video that is a bit longer. Do you understand? Look for a video that is a bit longer. Just look for it, okay? Just look for it. Just look for a video that is a bit longer, and then all you need to do is to click on the share button, and then all you need to do is to click on this copy link. Now, after you copy the link, go over to where you are downloading your YouTube video. Do you understand? Now, for me, I use save from .net. If you click your Chrome browser and you type save from .net, they're going to show you where you had in this one. Just go ahead and paste the link and download the video to your gallery. So once you are done with that process, you can use any YouTube downloader that you have. Or some people use it vidmate, or what's it called, safe, to download their video. So once you are done downloading it, now this is what you do next. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my InShot. Okay, once you come to InShot, click on video. So once you click on it, look for the video that you've downloaded. Sure, you've done another video of yourself. Do you understand? So once you bring in the video, click on PIP again. Do you understand? Click on PIP again and bring in the video. Click on PIP and bring in the video that you've done. Now we are doing all these things to avoid YouTube copyright strike stuff, okay? So once you bring it in like this here, make sure your face is showing here like this, okay? Or you can just make it a little bit. All right, so now let's play it, and make sure it's your voice that is playing at the background. Mute the volume of the Gary frying video, okay? Make sure it is your voice that is there playing at the background. Or just go ahead and click on good. So now the next thing you want to do, if the volume, I was talking on this video because my mic stuff was there, so the volume is not audible. So if your volume is there, just go ahead and leave it. But since my volume is not there, I'm just going to go ahead and record my voice inside the video, okay? Let me just click on the record and record my voice inside the video. Wow, this is my first time of seeing somebody frying Gary with his two hand, or with her two hand. This is amazing. Oh, I've not seen it before. Which culture is this? This is really amazing. Oh, I haven't seen it before. Ah, this is really surprising. Okay. So do you guys see? Go ahead and click on the good. Now let's play it and see. Wow, this is my first time of seeing somebody frying Gary with his two hand, or with her two hand. This is amazing. Oh, I've not seen it before. Which culture is this? This is really amazing. Oh, I haven't seen it before. Ah, this is really surprising. Okay. All right. So do you guys see? Do you guys, so go ahead and remove the InShot stuff, and then go ahead and save the video to your gallery. All right. So once you're done editing it, come to your YouTube and then click on live. All right, so once you are done, then just come to YouTube and click on the live button. Now before you go live, now click on this pencil icon, okay? Once you click on this pencil icon, now you're going to see this place that it says public. Make sure the video is on public, and then make sure the video is not made for kids. And then now the next feature that you want to use is this your screencast, okay? Now turn it on, okay? Turn this screencast on and you see next, okay? Once you click on it, you see next. Once you see next, make sure this video is not made for kids. You go ahead and click on next, okay? Now all these things, just go ahead and click on it. Got it. So now once you get to this place, if you click on this stats now, YouTube will have access to all the information that is visible on your screen or played from your device while recording or casting. This includes information such as passwords, payments, details, photos, messages, and audio that you play. Do you understand? So everything will be visible for YouTube to watch. All right. So if you click on the stats now, they are going to take you to your gallery again. Now, some people use VLC player for this, okay? So if you have a VLC player ready, just if you don't have VLC player, click download VLC player. But me, I don't use that. So I'll just go ahead and click on start. Immediately they click on start, I'll just go over to my gallery and just put that video live. So you go ahead and click on start now.
So once you get to your gallery, just click on that video that you've edited on InShot that is in your gallery. YouTube did not allow me to show this part of the video, so I don't know why. I've done it twice, but it's not still showing. So just go ahead and click on the video and click on live. I wanted to show you how to loop it as well, but it's not working. So just go ahead and loop the video, and then go ahead and, you know, screen just go click on go live. That's just all. Then you'll be live. Then there's a place where you have to mute your own part, your own end, that somebody will not hear what you are talking at the background, your background, you understand. Just mute it and then keep your phone else, so you can do it at night and sleep off, and before you know, people will start coming to watch your live stream, and then you'll get your watch hours complete in no time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.